Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see MCQs based on current affairs. इस वीडियो में 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे। हर एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको 20 सेकंड्स का टाइम दिया जाएगा। इसके बाद मैं आपको सही आंसर बताऊंगा। So read question carefully and try your best. So here is your first question. Which Indian shuttler has been named as the ambassador of BWF's IM Badminton campaign? Saina Nehwal, Srikanth, Kidambi, Parupalli Kashyap, PV Sindhu. And answer for this question is PV Sindhu. World champion PV Sindhu was on April 22, 2020 named as the ambassador of Badminton World Federation's IM Badminton campaign. The campaign was launched to advocate for honest and clean play. Next question. Usha Ganguly, veteran theatre actor, passed away on April 23 at the age of 75. She had written the script of which among the following Indian movies? Raincoat, Chokhar Bali, The Last Year, Antar Mahal. Read question carefully. Answer for this question is Raincoat. Theatre veteran Usha Ganguly passed away on April 23, 2020 after suffering from cardiac arrest. She was 75. The founder of Rangkarmi had worked on the script of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Ajay Devgan starred Raincoat in 2014. The film was directed by Rituparno Ghosh. Next question is, what is the name of the world's largest living sea turtle? Option A, green sea turtle. Option B, loggerhead sea turtle. C, olive ridley sea turtle. And last option is leatherback sea turtle. And the answer for this question is leatherback sea turtle. The leatherback sea turtle are the world's largest living sea turtles. They are considered vulnerable under International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, and these are considered endangered in Thailand country. Next question is, when was the World Heritage Day observed? April 19th, April 17th, April 18th, April 16th. When was the World Heritage Day observed? And answer for this question is April 18. The World Heritage Day was observed across world on April 18, 2020. The day is observed to promote awareness about diversity of cultural heritage of humanity and efforts required for its protection and conservation. The day is also known as the International Day for Monuments and Sites. The day was established in 1983 after approval from the General Assembly of UNESCO. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new secretary to President Ramnath Kovind? Option A, Ravi Sharma. Option B, Kapil Dev Tripathi. Option C, Sachin Shekhawat. And option D is Suryakant Mishra. Secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. And answer for this question is option B, Kapil Dev Tripathi. Kapil Dev Tripathi has been appointed as the new secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. The appointment was made on contract basis by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet headed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 20, 2020. Next question is, which country's president has decided to temporarily suspend immigration amid COVID-19 outbreak? Option A is United Kingdom. Option B, United States. Option C, Canada. Option D, Australia. And answer for this question is option B, United States. US President Donald Trump has decided to temporarily suspend immigration to the United States over coronavirus concerns. Trump stated that the decision has been taken to protect the jobs of the American citizens. Next question is, when is the National Civil Services Day observed? National Civil Services Day observed April 20th, April 22, April 21, April 19th. Answer for this question is option C, April 21. The National Civil Services Day is observed annually on April 21st, 2020. The day is observed to celebrate all civil servants who dedicate their lives for the cause of citizens. Next question is, what is the maximum punishment for attacking health workers as per the new proposed amendment to Epidemic Diseases Act 1987? Option is 7 years jail term, option B 5 years jail term, 10 years jail term, and last option is 6 years jail term. Answer for this question is option A, 7 years jail term. The Union Cabinet has approved an ordinance proposing new amendments to the Epidemic Diseases Act 1987 to end violence against health workers. The new amendments includes imprisonment ranging from 6 months to 7 years for those found guilty of attacking healthcare workers. Next question is, when was the National Panchayati Raj Day observed? April 24th, option B April 23rd, option C April 22nd, and last option is April 21st. And answer for this question is option A, April 24th. The National Panchayati Raj Day 2020 was observed on April 24, 2020. The observance marks the day the 73rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution came into effect. The amendment had given constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj institutions. Last question is, the Prime Minister launched which among the following schemes on April 24, 2020? Option A, Swamitva scheme, option B, Samasya scheme, option C, Panchayati Raj, and last option is Sahyog scheme. And answer for this question is option A, Swamitva scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Swamitva scheme on April 24, 2020 during his video conference with all the Gram Panchayat Sarpanch. That's all for today. दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए ताकि बाकी लोग भी इसका फायदा उठा सके। थैंक यू।